8 months ago, my wife Lori and I bought our first piece of land right here in the beautiful blue water city of Canyon Lake, Texas. And our dream was to build an amazing A-frame vacation rental for everyone to enjoy. And now we're embarking on the biggest part of that journey, raising up 250 pounds, 27 feet tall rafters that I affectionately call the A's. And I wish I could say it was easy.
Can we go down?
But I know I'll be able to say it was all worth it. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the A-Frame for Airbnb here in beautiful Canyon Lake, Texas. We have just finished the whole entire floor for the A-Frame, so now we're on to the really fun part, which is making the front and back deck and then starting to build our A's. So all we're gonna do with the front and back deck framing for now is just put enough of the frame up so we can stand our A's up, and then we'll go from there. So do me a favor and comment down below if you'd like me to make a more in-depth video on how I built the front and back decks all by myself on such a steep grade. And just so you know, the reason the front and back decks are so important at this stage in the build is because both decks are actually going to hold the overhanging rafters, or the A's. Plus, it would be super difficult to raise the last few A's without having a deck with steps to walk on. Up until this point, I've been pretty independent throughout the whole build, but I was just having trouble with the rafter and the seat cuts for the A's, and I didn't want to make any mistakes. So I had to call in the more experienced professional framers to get me going in the right direction. And with Canyon Lake being the great small town that it is, I was actually able to find some really awesome help. These two framers actually came to the rescue by making me a template for the A's for me for free. I told them I was willing to pay them, but they refused, which really speaks to the awesome people that we have here in Canyon Lake.
Take that picture quick.
So the other thing I needed help on wasn't just cutting the A's. I know that I would have a lot of trouble picking up 27 foot tall, 250 pound rafters all by myself. So I enlisted the help of my nephew Daniel to come and help me lift up some of the A's.
You know what I feel like right now? You're filming? You're filming? I feel like the NFL, when all the dudes are like, hey man, I'm mic'd up today. I'm mic'd up, dog. You know what I'm talking about? On the video? Yeah, when they, like Hard Knocks. Like football Hard Knocks. When they're like, hey dude, I'm mic'd up right now, I'm mic'd up. I'm mic'd up, dog.
All right, here we go, 9:33 a.m. And we have the braces up for the first day. Daniel and I, he's running from the camera. We just tested the fitting. We fit good, we fit very snug, so might have to flop into place a little bit, which is okay, on the seat cut. And yeah, you guys are about to witness the first A going up, which is super exciting. I mean, we're talking about months and months and months to get to this point. That's right, it took a minute, but it's gonna be all worth it, ROI wise, and I think the guests really love this place. Because remember, only the best for my guest. Okay, let's do it, man. Come on, baby, come on, come on. Stay with me. Just same time, all right? I should almost count the steps. Okay, all right, let's get it. All right, 1 step, 2, just walk. It's hard to breathe. All right, huh? Oh, can you hold it or no? Okay. Just put it down. Put it down, we'll put another block all the way down to the ground. To the ground. Another block.
Ready?
Let's get it, baby. Come on. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me know when you got the plate, the plywood. Yeah, it's already in place, isn't it? Yeah.
At the plywood, you here?
Yeah.
All right, keep pushing. We just got the first A up. So Daniel, you've been the bulldozer. Come say hi, man, don't be shy. Right here. We did it. Couldn't do it without you, man. So it's all braced off, it's leveled, it's perfectly straight up. And yeah, only 21 more to go. So let's get to work. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of making one of these A's. These are actually 27 feet tall. We have a very specific way that we go and make these A's. I'm gonna show you that right now. So the first thing I like to do is cut all of the plywood gusset plate sheathing down to size. Next, I cut both of the 16 footers down to size, as well as cutting the angled and the seat cuts using the exact same templates every single time. There we go. After that, you butt join the boards together, glue and nail them together using construction adhesive and 2.5-inch subfloor nails. Do the same thing on both sides, as well as the triangles for the very top of the rafter, and then you're all set.
Yeah, it's definitely different. Not the typical basic kind of property.
Now, unfortunately, Daniel did have to go back home after a couple of days, and I was forced to figure things out all by myself, and I had to get really creative. Well, the first thing I did was just ask my buddy Javi Acevedo, local San Antonio realtor. Look him up if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in SA. And I asked him to come and help me lift up the A's. And well, it didn't go quite as smoothly. So right now we're gonna lift up the third to last A, Javi and I. Let's go get it. All right. We got this. Yep. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right. Yeah, you're higher than me, so keep going. Actually, let me go right now, because you're higher. Let me get on the stairs. Keep holding her. Okay, on the stairs. Got her up. You on the steps? Yep. All right. I'm going to step number 2. All right. Number 3. All right, just keep on my ladder. All right. About to get on the deck. Good. You good? You wanna go down? Let's go down. Hey, you okay?
All right, now, I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it, man. Something like right here, I just...
Now, do you wanna switch spots? Or you wanna call it a day?
I'll give it a shot. So we're trying to go at the same time, moving together at the same time.
Right. Because you see how the weight can get kind of thrown off if we move at different spots, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll just try to speak to each other like, hey, you know, I'm on step 1. There's only 5 steps, so whatever step you're on, just call it out. Or if you're on the ladder and you need a second to get adjusted, call it out.
So this is gonna be my last step.
Okay.
So my right foot is here,
Yeah.
left foot, and then right foot on the
Yeah.
step.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We got this.
Let's do it.
All right, you call it.
What if I start from right here?
That's cool.
All right.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Okay, we're up. Walking. We're going on the steps. Okay, let me get with you. Okay. All right. Just keep going, because, yeah, there you go. I'm higher than you. There you go. Okay, we're good. We're good. I'm ready.
For what?
So keep walking. There you go. There you go. You got it. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the deck. Give me a big push. You gonna put it down? Broke. Yeah, broke. You're good, man. You're good. Well, he's gonna stick to real estate. So that night, I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this 1,500-pound electric winch. And let's just say it wasn't that much better. So at the time of making this video, it's October 2022, and lumber prices have gone down pretty significantly, but still we broke 4 rafters that were totally completed during this process. And if you add that up, that's about $400 to $500 in lost rafters right there. So what I decided to do was cut my losses in a smart way and just let my roofer do it. He has a crew, he has the people, he has the equipment, he can get at them. And I'll be watching him from the sideline. Where you going? Don't run. Hey, what do you think about the house so far?
Looks like a church.
It looks like a church. Where you can go there and pray anytime you want to.
It's looking good.
Yeah, it's not bad, right? Yep. So that's it. That's it for the video, guys. So glad you're loving the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I can't wait until you're here. See you guys.